Right. So welcome guys. We've been range trading for the entire morning now. We've respected every single intraday level that I've drawn for you guys. 406, 406.50, 47.80, and now 408.50. I give you guys all the targets here. Alright, so if you guys have been scalping using these levels, then you guys should have done really well today. As I've also went with you guys with these levels. I even told you guys that we should hold 406 today morning, right after the market opened. And then I also told you guys that we should hit 407.80ish, which is our next level of resistance. And when we rejected that, I said we need to hold 406.50, and we did. And then once we blasted up higher after this nice bear trap, I told you guys that the next level of resistance that we need to hit will be 408.50. And then the last one now will be 409, and guess what? There's still a lot more room left to go up to 409. All right, and if you guys remember, 409 or 49.20 specifically was the huge level of resistance last Thursday when we made this nice bull flag. And so this pullback, this overnight gap down, we're currently filling it now. More than 50% is filled now, right? This is official here. Around, like, I would say like 75% of the gap, or actually 80% of the gap down is now filled up. So this is very, very good. So far, it's been an amazing day. I mean, this is such a great day so far. If you guys bought in the pullbacks, bought in the dips, as I've been telling you guys since last week, you guys should be up. Okay, you guys should be up a lot. Oh, TTD. Very good trade this morning, and then very good re-entry today as well. I expect us to hit 62 by end of the day or even tomorrow. We'll see. Well, so far everything looks really, really good. I'm loving it. All right, nearly up 20% on the TTD entry. So we have a total return of 50%. If I combine the 30% plus initial trade in the morning to now, we're almost at 50% here. Perfect. And I used profits from the first TTD trade to go into the second one here. So obviously very, very good use of profits. Uber looks amazing. TOS is still looking a bit bearish. Disney, very, very good recovery as well, as we held over the 99.50 area, and now we're staying above 100, and we need to get back over this descending level of resistance and over this horizontal level of resistance at 100.50. So we finally broke over this 100.50 level. So this is very, very good, right? However, in order for us to solidify that this resistance level has been overtaken by buyers, we need to stay over this 100.50 level, or else we're going to come back down and retest 99 again, like we did today morning and the past 3 trading days. Now, for us to be really, really bullish on this one overall, well, we have this inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, which I gave you guys yesterday night with that technical analysis video. We need to get over this neckline, this descending level of resistance trend line, right? This is the neckline of this overall inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, and we need to get over that 100.50 level. All right, so this is something that you guys should be watching. If you're not, I don't know what you guys are doing. All right, I mean, I've signaled in today that we need to get in, and that's why we're still in. Hey, SPY is going up to 408.60. Now it hit 408.60. Nice. So SPY is range trading. That's the reason why my levels have been perfect. That's it. That's the only reason why. Okay, so if you guys are wondering how I have such accurate levels, well, it's just SPY has been range trading ever since we started to move down and kind of cool off from that initial run up from the psychological $400 level. So after we retested it, reclaimed, and remounted it, we had this really nice impulse run up with multiple gap ups, specifically 3 gap ups that we still haven't filled yet. We are now consolidating this move up higher, and now we're just range trading, and ultimately we will fill in this gap very, very soon. A couple of cents left here before we fill in the gap 100%. Wow, there it is. Holy cow. Look at that. Hey, TTD. All right, officially total is 50% here now. Oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely here. Things are looking up, literally. All right. This is looking quite good, guys. Looking really good for us. Alrighty. It's like it's almost too perfect with SPY range trading like this too. Absolutely amazing. Okay, now we need to kind of chill out here. The RSI, well, we still have a lot more room left, which is the reason why I think 409 is next. But we have to chill out a little bit here around 408.50 in order to have a nice healthy run up again. But overall, the RSI is showing good relative strength. And we're seeing a lot of overall just great bullish price action as we continue to hold over 406. And I've been telling you guys this since last night, right? And well, last week. Mara, what a jump up. My god, nice recovery here as well. Jesus. Hey, Uber, rocketing higher. Over 31.50 now. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Man, what a good run. I mean, TTD, almost a full recovery here. 4-hour time frame. We're looking at a nice bullish engulfing candlestick. I mean, just looks really good with the RSI sitting at 59.50, which tells me that the overall strength of the price action is very, very strong. Even on the daily, we're sitting right below that value of 60 on the RSI. This is a very, very good sign technical wise. And if we're able to break over $62, which is our confirmation entry point, we should be able to see a nice run up higher until we hit our first profit target at 64.50. All right, so make sure you guys are paying attention. Disney, we're now starting to get over this neckline or this descending level of resistance. And the reason why we call it a neckline or a neck is that, well, we have a shoulder here, a shoulder over here, and then a head, right? So what comes below the shoulders here, or what's next to the shoulders is what I was saying. The neckline, right? So this is why we call it a neckline, right? Even for a head and shoulders chart pattern, and the same thing for an inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, right? If you guys just want to keep it simple, just remember that we have a neck or a neckline right below our head. Very, very easy to remember, right? These terminologies. It's the reason why technical analysis is so fun. You're able to observe these chart patterns with your eyes, with your naked eyes. You don't need to have any type of crazy indicator or anything like that. Look, we're basically following the same pattern as we did on April, right? On April 6th, on Thursday. Okay, so just like I said a couple of minutes ago, we are now just, consolidating right over that 408.50 level. Okay, I mean, it's very, very simple to see here. DDOG, huh? Yeah, it's a very good support buyback around 63.50 for DDOG. Very nice. SPY should continue to kind of, consolidate around here, so we're good. We're good, guys. Things are looking up, up, up. Oh, Disney, we need to get over this daily 200 SMA. We need to get over 100, okay, guys? Or else we're gonna see this 50 SMA crossing below the 100, creating what we call a death cross. And guess what? We just had a golden cross, all right, a couple months ago. So, actually a couple weeks ago, excuse me, not months ago. So I did not want to see a sudden turnaround of events where we get a sudden death cross again, right? So we just had a golden cross and then we might have a death cross. I do not want to see that. That is not a good sign for long-term bulls, right? But overall, really, really good and solid day so far. We have a very, very nice bullish run up after a nice gap down. So every dip and every pullback is being bought. That's exactly what that means. All right. So this is a very, very good sign for anyone who wants to go long. Okay. Do not be discouraged about any type of a miss on any pullbacks because there's still a lot more room left for SPY to run. All right. I mean, it's not really a guess here. Is what I'm not guessing here. Just take a look on the daily, the weekly. There's a lot of room for the stock, for the share prices to move on SPY, right? So don't be so concerned that you missed this run up, right? Because again, on Thursday there are people who are FOMOing and trying to buy on this run up, or people who didn't buy at all. But guess what? The same people probably got in today, at least, all right? At least one trade. around 406.50 or 406. My members know that you know, these levels have been very, very crucial. All right, I'm back, guys. There we go. Look at that. We should hit 409 very, very soon. We are rocking it, guys. We're rocking. I mean, come on now. It's a Money Monday, guys. Money Monday. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, what a perfect day. I mean, great re-entry right over here, right? Right below 61. I think I got in at 60.85-ish. We moved a little bit lower than that, and then we had a nice run up again. And so hopefully we can continue this run up, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, okay. We are doing good. My God. What an absolute killer day, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Oh, Uber 31.50. We're over it now. Woo! We're over last Thursday's highs, the previous high of the day. Very, very good. Absolutely lovely. I am loving it. Are you guys loving it? Because I'm loving it. TTD should go up higher. SPY should start respecting between 408.50 to 409 again, as we saw on Thursday. We're buying every single pullback, every single damn dip. That's what we're doing over here. It's Money Monday. How can you guys not be excited? You know? Right, guys? No? I mean, what a perfect day to be excited about the markets, you know? It's absolute killer of a market day. So juicy. So juicy. Looking interesting again, FCX. CLF as well. TTD, my total return still staying at over 50%. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh my god. We're looking very, very solid, folks. Disney are back in profits. Oh, my heart. It's so perfect today. You guys have no idea how perfect it is. I'm just staying positive as well, you know. You gotta stay positive, right? I mean, come on now. You gotta stay as positive as possible. That is always the goal. Be optimistic about your future and work on gaining a better future, right? And the market is a great vehicle for that type of motivation and discipline. Everything's good. Uber is about to hit that 32 soon, and we will break out. I'm waiting on Uber to break over this descending level of resistance. We have retested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. Alright, so 4 different areas where we have hit this level of resistance, and then the price is definitely going to have to break out from this point forward, right? I mean, we've been hitting it multiple times. We created a double bottom bounce. We have now currently a higher low, even today, just based off today's low. And so we're ready for higher highs to be made once we're able to break out of $32, and we'll get that retest of all the previous high pivot points. And I want to see eventually 37.58. Okay, that is the main goal here. That is my main goal, guys. All right. So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Uber has that look to it. All right, and we've been seeing a lot of hedge funds pouring into this name, right? A lot of hedge funds. So we want to be in where these hedge funds are going into, these big money fund managers, right? We call them big money or smart money fund managers, right? So that's where we want to be at, right? We want to be in with them, right? We want to be in the same crowd as them. All right, the single loan retail trader doesn't mean crap. It means doo-doo, right, to these people. All right, they're the ones that make the market. They're the market makers. There we go. We're now consolidating. This is what we want to see. Nothing very crazy going on here. Disney is also still staying around 100. We want to ideally close over 100 and possibly get a close over 408.50. Okay, we're nowhere near power hour just yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Again, things are looking up. Things are looking up. Okay, guys, hopefully you guys have the same SPY levels on your chart that I've shown you guys on live so far. All right, this is very, very crucial that you guys have these levels. All right, I mean, even in the last week's lives, or the public lives that I've done last week, I gave you all these levels. All right, if you guys are paying attention, you guys would have put the same levels, and you guys could have been trading it with us today using the same levels, right? So hopefully you guys watched those reruns, those recordings in the past. It's on my channel. It's on the channel here. So watch the recording. The recordings are all posted. They're automatically posted after the live stream is done, just like this one. So make sure you guys hit that video, that recorded video, and watch. That's all you have to do. Watch and listen. And that's how you pay attention, right? Listening. Okay, guys, so make sure you guys watch. Watch. Very, very crucial that you guys know how to watch and listen. All right, we're coming back down to hit 408. Nothing surprising there. Let's see. Yeah, Uber. Yep. Ideally, we close over 31.50 today so that we can get a nice red to green entry tomorrow, hopefully. But again, everything looks good on Uber. Higher lows has been created again like the past 2 trading days, and higher highs has been achieved as well in the last 2 trading days, as we've also went over the previous high of the day at 31.49. So things are looking very, very good. Okay. All right, now we're just chilling. I mean, we've just retested 408. Nothing much to do here after. So we just continue to watch, and I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing much to do here. We're already in positions. I'm just chilling, just watching the rest of the markets now. Looking to get into Uber soon. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today for me. I just continue to watch the levels on SPY. Again, I gave you guys the levels here, so make sure you guys watch it. We just got the intraday bullish crossover of the 10 SMA over the 21. All right, on the 15-minute time frame. This is very, very good. The 10 SMA has also crossed over the 15-minute 50 SMA after converging right on top of it. And after these 2 candlesticks are formed, I would suspect the 10 SMA to have caught up to the price here on the 15-minute time frame so that we can continue up higher. All right, so 408.80. This is the previous level of support, this intraday level of support that we saw last week on Thursday. So if we're able to break over 408.80, we should be able to see a nice big move higher. All right. All right, here we go. We're holding 408.50. Like I said, I've been saying this for the past couple of minutes here. Well, more than 30 minutes now, that we will consolidate over 408.50. Okay. So we have a very tight consolidation range here between 408.50, all right, 408.50 and 408.80. A range of 30 cents between 408.80 and 408.50. All right. So we are consolidating. We're making a nice flag. This is good to see. I've been saying it over and over the past more than 30 minutes. Make sure you guys leave a like down below, guys. Make sure you leave a like down below. It helps with YouTube. What a nice wide range today. Almost a 3-point range here. There it is. Retest of 408.80. Looking solid. TTT looking solid. Disney looking solid. Uber looking solid. Ah. Mars looking solid too now. My God. If we're able to retest the 200 SMA, we're solid. Solid everywhere. There it is. We saw a nice pop over 408.50. Oh my God. What an amazing Money Monday, guys. I mean, if you guys aren't trading with us, I don't know what you guys are doing. You guys should be. What an amazing morning. Absolute killer. Okay, well, I think that's it for me today, guys. Just want to do a quick live here for you guys to show you guys, you know, there's a potential for us to run up higher, right? And we've been. We're almost done filling the gap, right? If you go on the daily time frame again, we're almost there. We're almost to the previous day's closing price, which was 409.19. And also, if you guys want to go in Uber, you guys can go in Uber early on those contracts. All right, so we're looking at the 35 calls that expire on May 19th for an early entry. All right, for a starter position, you guys can go in. I'm looking for a confirmation entry point tomorrow. So let's see what we get tomorrow. All right. So definitely Uber, $35 calls. That's the strike price, and then the expiration is on May 19th for a nice swing trade. Personally, for me, I'm looking for a confirmation entry point over 32. Right, that will be a definite run up higher until we retest the daily 50 SMA and possibly even $33, and that'll be our first target for our entry there. But ultimately, I do want to see over 34.50 and ultimately over 35, which is the reason why I chose 35 as the strike for the contract. All right, so that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, if you guys aren't trading with us, make sure you check the description down below to join. All right. You know, I just want to make sure that you guys are trading with the correct levels, right? Just like we saw in SPY here. If you guys haven't been paying attention, make sure you guys go to the other videos on the channel and check out every single description box for each video, because you'll find all the links that you might want to check. So make sure you guys check out the description box for every single video. Okay. Again, you guys can be a part of the CFO Swing and Watch member, right? The CFO Swing and Watch newsletter. If you guys, you know, just join. That's all I have to do. Just join. All right, and you'll be a part of the private CFO Discord. So the description box for this live stream does not have it. But you guys can go to the other previous videos that are uploaded on this channel, right, and all the other videos as well. All right, all the live streams and other videos, you guys can check every single description box, and I highly recommend you guys to do that. So make sure you guys do. All right. So pretty solid morning, guys. Pretty solid day. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for liking. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I'll catch you all on Wednesday when I decide to stream again. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys back in the Discord.